Hello Drone Racers, I'm Mark, and today on Drone Racer 101 we're going to see if we can change these gimbals and the throw on them. One of the things I did in the comparison video was measure the throw, and it is definitely less on these than the full Taranis, but depending on the length of your thumbs, or if you want to try and pinch, maybe if you want to pinch you actually want it way down lower. Can you do that? I don't know, let's see. I'm pretty sure these are adjustable, but let's find out how much. So in case you didn't see that video, we're going to take a look at the default throw on these. So if I put over the 3-inch line here, and if I pull this down, I get 5/8 of an inch throw. So I get that each direction from center point, it's 5/8 of an inch to the extreme. That is the same on both of the sticks. So say I want that throw to be a little bit longer. To do that, I need to lengthen these sticks. Now what you can't really see here, I'm zoomed in as far as I can go. In the middle of this, there is actually a set screw. There we go. I have a 1.27 Allen wrench in here, and it seems to fit, so it's right there. It's the smallest one that comes in this kit. So what that'll let me do though is I can adjust that, and I can loosen this, and then if I want to lengthen these, what I will do is loosen this as far as it'll go, and I'll get it just a little bit tightened on, just a couple threads on. Then if I tighten down this set screw, what should happen is it will lock itself in place at this point, and then I will have a longer throw. So now if I slide this in and I hold this all the way at the tip, then I move over to here to the one that I haven't adjusted yet, see how far it'll go in. That's about how much taller the stick is. It's about a 1/16 of an inch. It's not huge. Okay, so now if I do the same test, it's definitely longer. It's still not 3/4 of an inch, but it's what, 11/16, as we're going to call that 11/16 of an inch. So it gained about a 1/16 of an inch of throw in there. So if you want the longest throw possible, that's how you do it. Now I did that on this stick. You're probably more likely to want it on the other stick. So now I'm just going to take this off, and I'm going to do the opposite. Let's take this back as far as it'll go. So see there, you can actually see, I'll show you the set screw here. Unfortunately, the set screw is really long. So it's gonna make it so it's gotta be in at least so far. If it was shorter, and you might be able to replace it with a shorter set screw, you could go in more if you wanted to. So there, it's as high as it'll go, which is pretty much the default. So there we go. So now it's as far in as it'll go. And I don't think there's gonna be a noticeable difference from the first one. Yeah, now it's right at 5/8 again. But there you go. That's how you adjust it. If you want your sticks to be just a little bit longer, you need just a little bit more throw, that's how you do it. So if you found this useful, leave a like and a comment down below, and let me know what else you want to see that is not in the playlist. If you've seen the playlist, down in the description there's a link to the playlist. It has all my videos for this. There are a lot of them, and they're still growing. But we're going to end up with an FAQ section to cover pretty much whatever I haven't covered yet. So until next time, remember, now I'm hoping I have an Allen wrench that will fit, or else you're never going to see this video.